Hello guys, this is Subhasree. I welcome you to my channel and to this Diwali special video. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you how I am crafting out some of the easy DIY items for decorating my house for this Diwali. Like this colorful wall hanging peacock tea light candle holder, brush colored candle stand, copper colored hanging flower and candle basket, and golden colored incense stick and diya holding tray. And all these items I have made from the waste materials that are very easily available at our house, like the CDs, the cardboard, the spoons, the pista covers and the aluminium wire. So if you are new to my channel, you need to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. And if you like this video, then please do share with your friends and give it a thumbs up. So let's start today's video with these three colorful peacock tea light candle holders. For this I have used blank CDs and some disposable plastic spoons which I have colored to make the peacock feathers. To hold the tea light candle in one place, I have used aluminium wire. I bought this beautiful flower shaped diyas from Amazon last week. These are transparent plastic diyas which comes with metal wick holders. We need to put cotton or candle wicks inside this small metal, pour oil and light them up. But I will use them to hold artificial tea light candles in today's project instead of directly pouring oil and lighting it up, as I always prefer smokeless diyas. But in case we don't have a ready-made candle holder like this, we can use a bottle cap or a jewelry box as a tea light candle holder. Now on these CDs, I'll be making some small holes so that I can insert the aluminium wire inside these holes. We can use a hot needle to make these holes, but I had this drilling machine handy, so I'm using this. I'll show you why I made those holes on the CDs in some time. But first let me draw the peacock head in all the three CDs and then color them with a bright blue and yellow color. I'm making 3 of these CD art because I'll be gifting all these 3 items to 3 of my best friends in this Diwali. Now I'll be using these disposable plastic spoons. I'll cut them like this and then I'll color them in such a way that they look like peacock's feather. For each item we may require 5 to 6 of these spoons. After coloring those spoons cut out, we just need to glue them up on the CDs. These are supposed to be wall hanging item. So in order to place them on the wall, we need a hook on these CDs. To make these hooks, I'm using the aluminium wire. I've cutted a small portion of aluminium wire and I have given a U shape to it. And then I'm inserting that U shape in the small holes that I have made on the CD in the beginning. So now you understand why we required these holes. We can use ribbons or threads to make this loop, but using aluminium wire makes this more sturdy. Ribbons or the rope might not take the weight of the CD with the lamp, so it's better to use the wire. Now to fix this diya, I'm using aluminium wire once again. These ready-made diyas already had small holes in them, as you can see, so it was pretty easy to insert the wire inside them. We can directly glue this type of diya in the CD without using the aluminium wire, but I'm using this aluminium wire to give it a better support. As I said, I'll be gifting these items to my friends. So I want my friends to use these items for a longer period of time. So I'm trying to make them as sturdy as possible. Now it's done, but I realized that this sky blue color is not looking good, so I tried to color it with sea green or teal color. And then I added some more details with highlighters and I added mirrors also. Finally, it's done. So let's hang it here and see how it looks. Apart from those peacock delight candle holders, I have made these 3 decoratives also, and I have used Camel Fabrica's metallic colors for this. I have used brush, gold and copper colors. Let me show you this item first. In order to make this item, I have colored the CD with brush color, and then I have used crafting clay to make this kind of small bits, which I'll be placing below the CD like this, so that it makes a firm base for the decorative. And then I have taken this artificial bangle or jewelry box, cleaned it properly and have applied gesso, and then finally I have colored it with the same brush color. And for decoration, I am using this pistachio shells or pista covers. During Dasera, I had bought a full packet of pista and I had unwrapped the covers of all the pistas, so I have a bowl full of pista cells, enough to make several decor items. Now let's glue these diyas, which I have already colored with the same brush color, and let's use some more pistachio cells to decorate the base of this decorative. To make the stand, we need cylindrical pipe-like structure. I am using a strong cardboard base for this. I had this macrame thread which was wrapped around a big cardboard pipe, which I am using for today's DIY. We can use the small cardboard pipes which comes with the normal sewing threads also. We can just join the small one to make a big pipe-like structure. We can directly fix this bangle box on top of this pipe, but as I did in all other DIYs today, to make the structure strong and durable, I'm using aluminium wire to give that extra layer of protection and support, like this. And that's how this diya or light stand is ready to be lighted up. Now for the next 2 DIY items, we require these 2 circular cardboards which comes as the base of the cakes or pastries, and then I have colored it with black gesso. I have taken the lid of a plastic food bowl and I'll be placing this lid in the center of this plate. And then I'll be taking some diyas. I'll color them first with gesso and then with gold and place it in the plate like this. Now I'm making holes so that I can insert the aluminium wire and make the handle for this flower basket. We can use glass jar or earthen pots or matkas as the basket, but I'll be using that plastic food bowl whose lid I have used as the center plate below this basket. So I'll be first using gesso and then I'll color them. As a border, I'm using the same jute rope which I have used on the handles. And then I'll color all the elements with the copper color. And that's how the hanging flower basket is ready. We can use this basket to hold the dry fruits in place of flowers and put it right in the center of the dining table like this. Now let's show you how I made this tray holding incense stick. I have made this in the same process as I did the last basket, but just in place of that plastic bowl, I have used an empty nail polish round shaped bottle. And I have used these pista covers to give it a shape of a lotus around this nail polish bottle like this. And I have colored this one with the gold metallic color. And that's how all the metallic colored diya stand, incense stick holder and the flower baskets are ready for my Diwali decorations. So with this, I wish all of you guys a very happy and prosperous Diwali. So do let me know how you like these DIYs in the comment section below. And do watch my next video, as there I'm gonna share all my Diwali shopping for this year and my living room Diwali makeover. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and thank you so much for watching this video.